Good morning YouTube, welcome to another tech support video where I try to solve more of the internet's tech shenanigans in order to stop you beating your PC to death. In this video I'm going to show you how to make sure your computer isn't acting like a naughty child playing Nintendo under the covers late into the night instead of going to sleep when you're asking them to. And just a quick note for those that are new to my channel, when I'm not shamelessly stealing tech support questions from Reddit and making videos about them, I do offer free tech support for anyone who needs it. So if you've got a question or if this video doesn't solve this issue for you, drop me a comment below and I might just choose you for the next free tech support session. Right, let's get to it. This issue comes from the user Calendon over on the r/tech support subreddit. And they're having an issue with their computer not sleeping. Instead of sleeping, the machine is essentially just turning off the screen, and then when they touch the keyboard and mouse, it just comes back on, and it's not actually getting any benefits of the machine being asleep. They've done a lot of troubleshooting themselves. They've tried a few things to get to the bottom of why this is happening, as you can see there, but the answer is actually relatively simple. For this one I'm going to give props over to this German blog that is unpronounceable to me, so I'm not even going to try and butcher it, but thank you very much for posting this fix. And essentially what they've discovered is that for some reason the machine is not entering sleep, it's entering what's called an away mode, which doesn't actually put the computer to sleep, and there's a registry fix you need to put in place because Microsoft for some reason hide the away mode settings for you, which I'll show you if I go into the power options and we go into advanced power settings, change plan, advanced. In this sleep section here, all we've got is allow wake timers. There's nothing to do with the away mode, so I'm going to close that, come out, and then I'm going to show you how to resolve this for yourself. So all we're going to need to do is first go into the registry editor, which you can do by clicking on the Windows button, typing reg edit, and it should come up as registry editor. You will need to have admin rights. If you don't have that, you're not going to be able to go any further. If you don't have an admin password for this machine, you probably shouldn't be playing in the registry anyway. So say yes to that, and I'm going to scroll to the top here so I can show you where you're going to go. So once in the registry editor, it might look more like this, but what you're going to want to do is expand H key local machine, then system, then current control set, then go into control, scroll all the way down to power, then power settings, and then you're going to be met with a load of numbered options. You're looking for the one that begins 238C. After that, you're then looking for the numbered option that begins 25DFA. And once you're there, before you change anything, it's always wise to right click, choose export, put it on your desktop and call it power settings. All this is a little backup of the registry settings, as they are now. And should you mess anything up, should you break anything, should anything not go as you intend, you can literally just double click that, say yes, and it will restore your settings back to how they were previously. So once you've got those exported, what you're going to want to find is this option here, attributes. Double click it and yours should be set to the number 1 like mine is. All you're going to do is delete that and change it to the number 2. Click OK, close the registry editor. And now you're going to want to go in and change those away mode settings. So to do that, click on the Windows logo again, look for your power and sleep options, just type the word power. You're going to click, once you're in this screen, click into additional power settings, click change plan settings for the plan that you're actually using. If you're on this one, you want to change that button. If you're on this one, choose this button. And then you're going to choose change advanced power settings. When you first get to this screen, click this blue link at the top that says change settings that are currently unavailable. Otherwise, you can't actually edit any of these. So click that link and find the sleep option. And you should see you now have an allow away mode policy button. This is a setting that Microsoft was hiding before. Expand that. You may have more than one setting in here. You're going to want to make sure these are all set to no. I've already been in here and tested this prior to making this video, so that's why mine was at no when we've come in. It was at yes previously. Just change everything to no. Click apply, OK. Close all these settings. As always, it makes sense to give your machine a quick reboot when you do this. Just make sure the setting takes effect. Once you're in, let's see if your machine goes back to sleep. It should now be sleeping like a little baby if all's gone well. As always, let me know if in the comments down below if this helped. If it didn't, drop me a comment, and if I can, I will pick you for a free tech support session in the future. Make sure you like, subscribe, and most importantly, make sure you have a great day. Thanks.